Thank you, Mr. Speaker. So, this is the kind of hogwash we are subjected to in every question. Last question was on regulations on LTA. So those regulations are there, publicly available. So I don't think it should be asked here. And for this one, I've already explained the situation. And you had mentioned that it remains the same. No, I don't already just mentioned the 47%. It's reduced, but incrementally. From the last 3 years, it was 50%. So if you for us who did foundation mathematics, 50 minus 3 is 47. So it's reduced. It's reduced. So and also honorable member was assistant minister for infrastructure at that time. And I would expect him to at least show some appreciation for the hard work being done currently by the Water Authority of Fiji. And he mentioned I was sitting on the other side. Yeah, he was sitting this side. But if you work hard, after this year, you will be sitting this side. So make sure you work hard, campaign strongly, which is part of the question. Thank you.